Hi everyone, Teacher Kathy here and Kat's the VA. So today we're going to talk about Google Tasks within Google Calendar. It's something that I am relying on every day to keep myself on task. I'm a scheduling person. I like to keep things scheduled and time block out everything that I'm going to do. And Google is a great free resource to help you be able to do that. But before I jump into it to show you how to do it, don't forget to click on the subscribe, the like, and the bell so you know when I have other videos, okay? All right, here we go. So, I like to schedule things. A free resource is Google Calendar, and something within Google Calendar you can use is time blocking, and then specifically the tasks so that you can actually check off as you get done, but it doesn't have to be a specific time, but you can schedule it at a specific time. Let me show you, okay? It's better to just show you. So here is Google Calendar, and this is what I'm going to show you. These pink things are the tasks. They're over here. And if we click on Create and go to Task, it pops up this window. And this is where you add a task, okay? Temp task. You can schedule it for a specific day and a specific time. I'm just going to pick today so I don't lose it. And then you can also do all day if you want. It puts it up at the top. You can repeat or not repeat. You can add a description, and you can add it to a task list, which I will show you in just a second. Okay? When you hit save, there it is. It pops it in there. And when you click on it, you can click on mark complete, edit, or trash. And the cool thing is you can drag these as you drag appointments as well. Okay? That's what makes it so great. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is Google has apps that you can use within your calendar. So see here on this sidebar, Keep Tasks. This is an add-on you can add where you can edit your task lists in different tasks, okay? You can also edit it within the calendar, but this is another way. You can find those by clicking on Google Add-ons, and you find it within there. Click on Tasks, and you can see here, here's all my tasks. You can add different lists and create a new list. And you can schedule it, and it'll pop it in on your calendar. That's just another way to do it, and I like to use that sometimes. So most of the time, I just use that plus sign up there. So this is how I keep myself on track, and I keep all the things that I need to do by time blocking out those specific tasks from household chores, VA clients, online classes, my YouTube videos, and everything. Okay? So if you want help with this and how to get this set up for yourself, shoot me a message and let me know, and we can set up a time. Or as your VA, I can help you set this up, get familiar with it, teach you how to use it, but I can also use it for you as well and help you schedule things out in time block. If you're interested, shoot me a message below, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.